Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video we'll be doing a quick exercise on solving linear equations. So we already introduced this chapter or this session or topic in the previous video. So in this video we are going to be solving linear equations. So let's have a look at our first question. So let me just brief off by just describing linear equations. So the simplest equation to solve is a linear equation. A linear equation is an equation where the highest exponent of the variable is 1. So let's say we are asked to solve for x. The highest exponent of x will always be 1. So we can never have x squared plus 3x because those are not linear equations anymore. Those will be quadratic equations. So let's have a look at 2x plus, so 2x plus 2 is equals to 1. And if you put 2x on one side, we have 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And we divide both sides by 2, we get x is equals to negative or half. Now let's have a look at the next question. So we have 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. What do? We've put all our x variables on one side, so we're going to have 2x is equals to, and all our knowns, which is the 3 and the integers that we know, are going to go on the other side. So if this 3 goes that side, changes signs and becomes negative 3. So it's going to be 2x is equals to negative 3. And if you divide both sides by 2, you are going to get, so 2x over 2 is equals to negative 3 over 2. Take a different color and cancel. So we're going to cancel the 2's and we're going to stay with x. And this side we are going to stay with negative 3 over 2. So our answer for x is negative 3 over 2. Let's have a look at another question. So we are going to have 2y minus 3 is equals to 7. So what do? First, you put all the unknowns on one side and the knowns on the other side. So this side, we're going to keep our unknown, which is y. And on the other side, it's 7. So we're going to take this 3 and we're going to put it that side. When it goes that side, it becomes a positive 3. And so it's going to be 7 plus 3, which is 10. So we're going to have 2y is equals to 10. And y, so we divide both sides by 2, right? So 2, 2. We take our color and we cancel. So cancel. Our y is going to be the answer this side. And this side cancel. So how many times can 2 go into 10? 5 times. How many times can 2 go into 2? 1 time. So it's 5 over 1. 5 over 1 is the same as 5. So our answer will be 5. Y equals to 5. Let's have a look at the next question. So we have 2c is equals to c minus 8. So in this case, we first have to put all the unknowns on one side and the knowns on the other side. So if we put the unknowns on one side, meaning this c here will go that side, and it's a positive, right? So it's going to be a negative this side. So it's going to be 2c minus c is equals to 8, right? 2c minus c is c. So c is equals to 8. And we don't do anything after that. Unless that was a negative 8, so it stays a negative 8. Yeah, that's correct now. Let's have a look at the next question. So we're going to have 7 plus 5y is equals to 62. So we need to put all the unknowns on one side. So it's going to be 5y this side. And 62 minus 7 is 55, right? Yes, so 5y is equals to 55. And we have to divide both sides by 5 to stay with just y. So it's going to be cancel, and we're going to have y this side. 55 divided by 5 is... So 55 divided by 5 is 11. So our answer here will be y is equals to 11. Let's have a look at the next question. So we're going to have 16y plus 4 is equals to negative 10. So that's a plus. So what's our first step? Put all the unknowns on one side. So we're going to have 16y and we're going to have 10 minus 4. So 16y with negative 10 minus 4, and negative 10 minus 4 is negative 14, right? And this side is going to be 16y. So 16y is equals to negative 14. We divide both sides by 16. And what do we get? We cancel. We left with y. And this side, we can see that a multiple of 2. Both of them are a multiple of 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. So negative 7 over 16 divided by 2 is 8. And that's our answer. So our answer is y is equals to negative 7 over 8. And so that's our answer in this case. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video as we discuss how to solve quadratic equations. So see you in our next video. Bye.